Hello guys, Farmer Matt here. We are harvesting a Gleaner S67. Yeah, we're out here harvesting, running on grain cart duty. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. This is our fifth quarter here. Soybeans. I'm following this combine. Other combine's going in a different field. Figured we should probably get two fields going. It's supposed to snow, or they're predicting it to snow or rain here tomorrow or tonight, so that's no good. That won't help us get anything done. So yeah, we're trying to get as much done as we possibly can. Right now we are just starting the endrows around the field. We got to get them done first before we can go the long ways back and forth. We're actually going to go at an angle so you can see the rows are planted straight this way, except for the ones that go around the field. But these ones are planted straight, and we're going to cut them at an angle so then the sides of the bean head don't knock down those ends all the way down the field and then all the way back. Even though, since we have a draper, it probably wouldn't even matter. We are in the Egco DT240A. It has about 350 horsepower. Had it dynoed at our local dealership, and that was about, it peaked out about 350 on the PTO. We have this corn, we have that corn, all these soybeans, more corn over there. Oh, we're getting a phone call. Dad. So Dad just called me there. We haven't got our walkie-talkies. We forgot them, so he just called me there. Said park it here, and he's gonna finish these endrows up. It's really windy out, but we can take you guys outside, show you around. It's a combine. So it's looking it's a bit wet in spots, but not terrible. Not too bad. Stand here. This is all that's left here, all the shells and everything. These are all the bean pods. Looking through, not seeing any beans on the ground. There's one there. All the pods are clean, which is good. And this is right here is the end of the bean head knocking it over, and we don't want that going all the way down. Going at an angle, you're likely to hit less beans. You can see you have the occasional green stem here. That's hard to go through the combine. The pods are still dry though, and the beans are somewhat dry inside. But you gotta do what you gotta do. It's gonna rain or snow here tomorrow, so gotta get going. Gotta get something done. With that draper head that we have, we're getting right level with the ground here, getting as much of the beans as we possibly can. Let's see, he's turning around there. So yeah, that's what's going on. Hop back inside, it's really windy out here. He's gonna cut out these endrows here, and we'll be able to set our AB line for the auto steer. I'll go back and forth and we'll get going. Hey guys, so I just realized I forgot the outro. So here it is. We'll see you guys in the next one.